Explora is a visualization tool for the analysis of multiple metrics of software corpora. When users launch Explora, they can specify a set of metrics at the class and method level. Note that in this example, all metrics are defined in the most meta model, with the exception of polymorphism cardinality. This visualization is called a PolyGrid. Each cell of the grid, called a polycell, represents all the system of the corpora. On top of each polycell is a label with the names of the metrics that are mapped to the position, height, width, and the color intensity of rectangles. Note that each polycell maps a different metric. While users pass the mouse over a system, the rectangles in all polycells depicting that system are highlighted. Let's analyze this polycell. Note that Java systems in blue are at the top, while Smalltalk systems in green are at the bottom. This suggests that systems in Smalltalk may have shorter methods than systems in Java. We call this a cluster-based pattern. The menu allows users to zoom in, zoom out, and center the camera. Users can generate new polygrids for the analysis of metrics through a different mapping. Let's focus on this polycell. Note the smooth transition of the color intensity. We call this pattern smooth gradient. This suggests a correlation between hierarchy nesting level and total number of children. Note that in this polycell, larger rectangles are at the top. We call this a weight-based pattern. This may happen because classes in Smalltalk systems have longer names or because they have larger hierarchies. So let's analyze the length of names. Indeed, Smalltalk systems are at the top, which means their classes have longer names. However, they don't have larger hierarchies necessarily. When users generate new polygrids, they can traverse the history back and forth. Users can save the history of polygrids. Later, they can load previous histories or share them to others. Users can ask details on demand of systems by selecting them. Two visualizations show the classes of the system. The visualization on the left focuses on metrics, while the one on the right deals with inheritance and dependency. Blue edges depict dependency. Users can feed in and feed out them, while edges in gray depict inheritance. Users can also resize nodes. Notice that when we pass the mouse over a class, in one visualization, the same class is highlighted in the other. Explora includes metric-specific views. For instance, in a polycell that analyzes polymorphism, a first view shows all polymorphic hierarchies. It is meant for analyzing their depth. Users can easily spot root classes of deep hierarchies. A second view shows the same hierarchies but focusing on the dependencies. In this visualization, users can adjust the graphics as well. Large hierarchies are easily spotted. By zooming in, users can detect polymorphic call size highly dependent.